Meaning of Georgie Porgie.
Georgie Porgie.
Georgie Porgie.
Georgie Porgie.
Georgie Porgie. Georgie Porgie is a nursery rhyme character from a popular children's song. The lyrics describe Georgie Porgie as a boy who kissed the girls and made them cry, causing them to run away from him. The meaning behind the rhyme is often interpreted as a commentary on male behavior and the consequences of not respecting female boundaries. This traditional nursery rhyme has been around for centuries and is still widely recognized and sung by children all over the world.